Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country inspired home decorating is a cozy, nostalgic interior style that blends the charm of old-fashioned rural living with soft, own-in vintage elements. It creates a warm, welcoming home that feels both timeless and lived in. What it really means, this style combines two ideas. First, vintage, items that look aged, antique, or gently owned. Next, country, simple, rustic, nature-inspired living. Together, they create a home that feels like a peaceful countryside retreat from the past. Key features of vintage country decor. First, soft muted color palette. Think warm and calming tones like cream, beige, and soft white, pastel cream, dusty blue, peely pink, faded floral patterns. These colors give a relaxed, eased feel. Next, antique and distressed furniture. Furniture looks slightly old but beautiful. Use wooden tables with chipped paint, old cabinets or dressers, wicker or farmhouse style chairs. Nothing looks too new or perfect. That is the charm. Use natural materials. This style connects with nature. Wood, linen, cotton, and jute, stone or ceramic accents. Handmade items like crochet or quilts. Use floral and vintage patterns. You will often see small floral prints, gingham or checkered fabrics, lace and embroidered details. These add a soft, romantic country touch. Use cozy and personal details. Vintage country homes feel lived in and meaningful. Use old photo frames, vintage clocks or mirrors, handmade crafts. Imagine a quiet countryside cottage with sunlight coming through soft curtains, wooden table, and flower in the vase. That is the feeling this style creates. Why people love it? Feels warm and comforting, budget friendly, easy to personalize, perfect for small kitchens and cozy spaces. You can reuse old items. Vintage continuous smart home decorating goes deeper than just old style furniture. It is about creating a feeling of comfort, history, and simplicity in your home. The philosophy behind the style. This decor style is inspired by simple rural life from the past. Homes are not perfectly styled, they were practical, handmade, full of memories. That is why in vintage country decor, imperfection is beauty. Scratches, faded colors, and its textures are actually desirable. Layering is the secret. Unlike modern minimal styles, vintage country uses layering to create warmth. You can layer rugs over floor, tablecloths over wooden tables, cushions with different patterns, curtains with lace plus cotton. The goal is to make the space feel soft, cozy, and lived in, not empty. Mix, don't match. Own important rule. Avoid perfect matching furniture. Instead of buying a full set, use different chairs around the table. Mix old tones, like light plus dark. Combine old and slightly newer pieces. This creates a natural, collected over time look. Bringing nature indoors. Nature plays a big role in this style. Use fresh flowers in simple jars or vases. Use dried flowers or herbs hanging in the kitchen. Use wooden trays, baskets, or clay pots. Even small touches like green plants on shelves and can change the whole feel. Vintage accessories that define the look. These small items make a big difference. Use old style clocks, ceramic teapots or cups, glass jars for storage, lanterns or candle holders, open baskets. Tip: don't overcrowded. Choose a few meaningful pieces. Fabrics and textures matter a lot. Soft textiles make the space feel warm. Use cotton and linen curtains, crochet table runners or cushion covers, quilts or patchwork blankets. Since you like crochet, this style is perfect for you. You can add handmade charm easily. Vintage country kitchen fill. In the kitchen, this style looks spatially beautiful. Use open shelves with plates and jars, hanging mugs or utensils, wooden cutting boards as decor, soft curtains instead of heavy blinds. It should feel like a warm, welcoming cooking space, not just functional. Lighting style. Lighting should feel soft and cozy. Use warm yellow lights instead of bright white. Pendant lights or simple lamps. Candles for extra charm. Balance is important. Even though this style uses many elements, avoid making it too cluttered. Keep some empty space. Choose a consistent color tone. A perfect vintage country homes feel peaceful, warm, slightly nostalgic, and full of personality. How to make it look authentic, not fake. The biggest difference between a good and bad vintage country homes is authenticity. Real look, slightly faded colors, gently owned furniture, a mix of old plus useful items. Avoid too many brand new fake vintage items, overly themed decor, everything floral, everything rustic. Tip: add at last a few real old or handmade pieces. Even one can change the whole vibe. Color layering techniques. Advanced tip: instead of using just one color, this style uses soft layered tones. Example palette: base white or cream walls. Secondary: shades green or dusty blue. Accent: soft pink or warm brown. This creates depth without making the room look loud or modern. Windows and curtain styling. Windows are very important in this style. Use light, airy curtains, like cotton or lace. Let natural light come in. Soft tie backs or simple jars work best. Avoid heavy check curtains. They break the soft country feel. Storage that doubles as decor. In vintage country homes, storage is also decorative. Use open baskets for vegetables or towels, clusters for spices, rice, lentils, wooden crates for organizing. Everything should look useful plus beautiful at the same time. The connected over time look. Your home should feel like it was not decorated in one day. You can add items slowly, display souvenirs or personal items. Mix different eras, grandma style plus simple modern. This creates a story in your space. Wall decor ideas. Walls should feel soft and personal, not empty or too bold. Try small, framed art or old style prints, botanical plants, illustrations, wooden frames, not shiny plastics. A simple wall shelf with small decor items. Seasonal touches, very important. Vintage country homes often change slightly with seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and pastel fabrics. For summer, use lighter colors and fewer layers. For autumn, use warm tones and dried leaves. For winter, use cozy blankets and candles. You don't need big changes, just small stops. Mode over perfection. This style is not about perfection, it is about feeling. Ask yourself, Does the space feel cozy? Does it feel calm and welcoming? Would someone feel at home here? If yes, you are doing it right. Vintage country decorating is not just a style, it is a lifestyle feeling. Solo living, simplicity, comfort, and handmade beauty. The foundation first rule before adding decor. The base of your room should already feel soft and calm. Focus on neutral walls like white, cream, and light gray. Simple flooring like wood, tile, or rugs. Clean, uncluttered base. Then layer various elements on top. If the base is too busy, the style won't feel right. Statement pieces. Less but meaningful. Instead of filling your home with many small items, just one to two statement pieces per room. An old wooden cabinet, a vintage-style dining table, a rustic shelf. These pieces anchor the whole room and make everything else look intentional. The functional beauty concept. Every item should have a purpose and look beautiful. Examples: a basket that stores vegetables, a tray that holds cups and also decorates the table, a jar that stores spices but looks aesthetic. If something is useless and only decorative, use it sparingly. Mixing textures very important. What makes vintage country spaces feel rich is texture contrast. Combine rough wood plus soft fabrics, smooth ceramics plus oven baskets, lace plus heavy cotton. This creates depth even with simple colors. Imperfection styling tricks. Don't place everything perfectly straight or symmetrical. Instead, slightly tilt a frame. Stack books unevenly. Use different heights for decor. This gives a natural lived-in look, not showroom style. Everyday display method. In vintage country homes, everyday items are part of decor. Display things like plates on open shelves, cups hanging on hooks, cutting boards leaning against the wall. It makes your home feel active and real. A helpful styling trick: 70% simple or natural elements and 30% vintage or decorative items. This keeps your home cozy without becoming cluttered. Creating a cozy atmosphere. This style is all about how the space feels, not just looks, and soft firm lighting, candles or lanterns, light natural scents like flowers or herbs. Even a simple room feels magical with the right atmosphere. A small space secret for small kitchens or rooms. Use vertical space. Keep colors light to open up the space. Add small vintage touches instead of big heavy furniture. This keeps it airy but still cozy. Personal storytelling. The most beautiful vintage country homes tell a story. You can include handmade crochet pieces, old family items, things you love, colors, and patterns. Your home should feel like you, not just a trend. The magic of vintage country decor is this balance: simple plus soft plus slightly old plus personal. If you get this balance right, your home will feel peaceful, warm, beautiful without trying too hard. The feeling first design mindset. In vintage country decor, designers don't start with furniture, they start with a feeling. Ask yourself, do I want this room to feel calm, cozy, and cheerful? Should it feel more rustic or soft and dramatic? Every choice, colors, fabrics, decor should support that feeling. Creating a focal point, very important. Every room should have own main focus area. Examples: a wooden dining table, articulated open shelf, a cozy corner with a chair plus lamp. Or you choose a focal point. Keep other areas simple so the room doesn't feel crowded. Your home doesn't have to be 100% old style. You can mix modern kitchen items with vintage accessories like jars, oud, crochet, and plants. This creates a fresh vintage country look, not outdated. Emotional connection. This style is powerful because it connects to emotion, comfort, memories, simplicity, home feeling. When you decorate, choose items that make you feel happy, not just how it looks trendy. A truly beautiful vintage country home follows this quiet formula: warmth plus simplicity plus softness plus personal touch plus charm or beauty. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support